This is another video in my series on alternating current. In this video, I'm going to continue to develop the formula for average power in alternating current circuits. You'll find this topic along with others in my course entitled Power Analysis in AC Circuits. You can access this and my other courses on my StanStore at this web address. So we have a way of calculating what the real average power consumed in a circuit is. It's VMIM over 2 cosine phi, where phi is the angle between the voltage and the current, and Vm and Im are the maximum values of the sinusoidal waves that we're using to describe the voltage and the current. We can take VMIM over 2 and split it out into two terms and still not change the meaning of the equation. We could say that the P average is equal to Vm over root 2 times Im over root 2 times cosine theta. But you remember that the RMS value of voltage is equal to Vm over root 2, and the RMS value for I is Im over root 2. So the average power consumption, real power consumption in this circuit is, if you measure the voltage in RMS and the current in RMS terms and multiply it by the phase angle, the cosine of the phase angle between the two of them, you come up with P average. Similarly, the Q average can be calculated using the same VRMS times IRMS, this time sine of the angle between them. And the apparent power, VA, can be calculated using just the VRMS times the IRMS. Before concluding this video, I want to make you aware of another huge sale that is coming available today. 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐂𝐋𝐀 will be offering benefits worth up to $3,000 on some of their products. You can get $500 off the Delta Pro 3 and get $300 off an extra battery for it. You can also obtain $300 off 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐂𝐋𝐀 Smart Home Panel 2. Furthermore, you can extend the savings when you purchase the Delta Pro 3. You can get a free 400-watt portable solar panel. These are just a few of the items that are on sale. To look at the full extent of the sale, simply go to this web address. As a reminder, all the letters in this web address are lowercase, and not to be confused, this letter is a lowercase l. This video is part of my Electrical Technical Information series. Be sure and stay tuned, as I will also from time to time be reviewing electrical products that, in my opinion, are worthy of paying attention to. This address will give you access to the supplier of aforementioned products, and it is also the connection to obtain a free copy of my 50-page electrical power crib sheets.